Let's see if I can do this one-handedly, so I don't have to set up my camera. Oh, it's freezing. Oh, sorry about that. What did I get today? A little of this, a little of that. Mystery box. Everyone likes a mystery box. Mystery box. I don't know why that's a president's thing, but anyway. What is this? Gonna have to cut that open. Hold on a second again. Oh, it's a zip up. Sorry, I just got off of work. Traffic sucked ass. Look at that. So, I'm sure like many out there, they already upgraded their transmission for their Rovans, their HPIs, buggies, all that fun stuff. So I figured I'd do the same, because I do not like the plastic transmission that comes in these things. When I first bought my DBXL E, I roasted it, and it kind of sucked, because I just got it. It was my only RC, my first one, 5th scale, and I had to fix everything. And now I'm stuck and obsessed with upgrading parts. Anybody else obsessed? Obsessed much? Much? Who knows? So stay tuned. I will be doing a transmission swap. And maybe you guys can join me. Take a look. We'll see how it works. I might have to open this, because this already feels pretty... It's supposed to be already redone, but... Anyone else have these? And I have to open them up, make sure everything's good inside. And then you have to go over the car anyway, right? So I might have to break this open. I have to do a little video on that. You guys can see what's inside. And if you already know, kudos to you. All right, stay tuned. Probably take me a couple of days, but I'll get to it.